Welcome to the best picks. The best Samsung stacking kit is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for maximizing space efficiency in your laundry room, offering a convenient and stylish way to stack your Samsung washer and dryer, transforming a cramped area into a functional and organized space. This video will provide a comprehensive review, covering everything from installation to performance, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your laundry needs. Number 5. AMI Parts SKK 8K Stacking Kit. This kit is designed for Samsung 27-inch front-load washers and dryers, making stacking them easy and safe. It's perfect for small spaces. It replaces older models like SKK 7A and SK 5A. The kit includes all necessary parts for a straightforward installation. You'll receive stacking guides, brackets, screws, and washers, everything you need for a secure connection. Detailed instructions are also provided. It's built to last, providing reliable support for your dryer. The durable materials resist rust and corrosion for long-lasting performance. Always install it with a helper due to the weight and height. Never use it with gas dryers in unstable conditions. Always unplug the power before installation. We're dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, our customer service team is here to help. What we like? It boasts an easy installation process, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. This space-saving solution is ideal if you have a small laundry area or apartment. If you're looking for a direct replacement for older models, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation was incredibly straightforward, even for someone not very handy. The kit is sturdy and holds the appliances securely in place. Fitted perfectly. It took a minute to line up the holes, but once we got it figured out, it was really simple. Moved into a home with a much smaller laundry area, and this allows me to have a space beside the set for a hanging rack. Number 4. Samsung Washer Dryer Stacking Kit SKDH. This kit is designed for Samsung 24 front-load washers and dryers, providing a secure and stable stacking solution. It's the perfect upgrade for your laundry space. It's built to last with high-quality materials. You can trust it to support your appliances for years to come. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation: brackets, rubber pads, and screws. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. This stacking kit is specifically designed for 24 Samsung front-load washers and dryers, ensuring a perfect and secure fit every time. Maximize your space and enjoy the convenience of a stacked washer and dryer setup. It's the ideal solution for smaller laundry areas. It comes with right and left brackets, rubber pads for stability, and all the necessary screws for a complete installation. Everything you need is in one box. What we like? Its ultra-durable design ensures long-lasting performance. It's a perfect fit if you own a 24 Samsung washer and dryer. If you prioritize durability and a long-term solution, this kit is your best bet. What people say. This stacking kit had everything needed and fit perfectly. It arrived quickly and completely solved the stacking dilemma. Exactly the same as Samsung box at the retail store. The only difference I could tell was that if you are putting the dryer on top of the wash machine, the plastic feet from the dryer need to be completely removed per Samsung washing machine manual. The rubber feet are more or less a buffer between the two metal surfaces and do not actually plug into any feet. These mounts are a safety mechanism, not a moving mechanism. High quality and easy to install. Number 3. Techecook SKK 7A Stacking Kit. It's designed to fit snugly in tight spaces, stacking your dryer on top of your washer. This saves valuable floor space in your laundry area. It comes with all the necessary parts for a quick and easy installation. It provides strong support and stability for your stacked appliances. Made from durable metal and plastic, it's built to withstand the weight of a stacked dryer. It's also designed for corrosion and rust prevention. It's compatible with many Samsung 27-inch front-load washers and dryers, and it replaces several older models. Check to see if it fits your machines. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 5-year guarantee against defects. We're committed to your satisfaction. Always disconnect power and water before installation. It's recommended to have at least 2 people install it due to the weight and height. What we like. Made with durable metal and plastic parts for long-lasting use. It comes with a 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you value both durability and a solid warranty, this is a great choice. What people say. Parts are of good quality and install, with a team lift, takes about 30 minutes for the mechanically inclined. Very easy to install. Make sure you have a second person to help you install the plastic supports under the dryer and then lift the dryer onto the washer. This was very easy to install, once we figure out the holes to use. Number 2. Samsung SKK 8K Stacking Kit. Maximize your laundry space with the Samsung SKK 8K. It's designed for most Samsung 27 wide front load washer and dryer sets. This stacking kit is a small space solution, allowing you to stack your washer and dryer to save valuable floor space in your home. It efficiently utilizes your limited space. It securely fastens your dryer on top of your washer, creating a stable and safe laundry center. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your appliances are securely stacked. Installation is a breeze. All necessary parts are included, making setup quick and simple. You'll be stacking your laundry in no time. It measures 6.93 wide, 2.48 high, and 22.83 deep. Make sure to check your appliance dimensions for compatibility before purchasing. It's compatible with most Samsung 27 wide front load washers and dryers. Check your appliance model to ensure compatibility. What we like. This kit is a great space-saving solution for your laundry area. Everything you need is included in the box for a hassle-free setup. If you want a simple, straightforward solution with all parts included, this is it. What people say. Fit like a glove, no problems. As long as you can lift a dryer above a washer, you're good to go. I replaced my Samsung washer with a newer one and this stacking kit works even though I don't have the matching Samsung dryer. So I guess as long as they are 27, this kit will work. This is the second time to order the stacking kit. It is durable and easy to install. Number 1. Samsung SKDH Stacking Kit. Introducing the Samsung SKDH Stacking Kit, designed to maximize your laundry space. It's the perfect solution for smaller homes or apartments. This kit securely stacks your Samsung washer and dryer, creating a convenient and efficient laundry center. It's easy to use and saves valuable floor space. It's designed specifically for Samsung 24-inch wide front load washers and dryers. Make sure your appliances are compatible before purchasing. It's built to withstand daily use, providing a reliable and long-lasting stacking solution for your laundry appliances. It's made to last. Installation is a breeze. Everything you need is included in the box, so you can get your laundry area organized quickly and easily. Samsung is a name you can trust. It's a reliable and high-quality product, just like all of Samsung's home appliances. What we like. It's designed to maximize space in your home. All necessary parts are included for a quick and easy installation. If you need a reliable solution for your 27 Samsung appliances and value convenience, this is a great option. What people say. Worked as designed. Using these made stacking the washer and dryer easy. These are specifically for the more compact Samsung washer and dryer. Excellent kit, perfect for stacking the dryer on top of the washing machine. Comes with everything needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.